Hey there, thinking about buying a ranch? This guy might be the perfect fit for you. We're gonna tour the Wescott plan by Eastwood Home Builders and see what you think. Now, this is one of my favorite ranch plans because it's a spacious ranch. And I wanna show you really neat features. Let's go check it out together. There's a couple different elevations that you can do for this particular home. But one thing you'll notice about the Wescott, none of them offer you a front porch that's covered where you can actually sit out, but that's okay. What I love about this house is that you actually have a true foyer. Eastwood known for their wainscoting and their molding as you come into your home. So you can do a couple different types of molding features, just depending on your style. So this is more of a traditional, but you can totally go with craftsman or something that's a little bit more modern. You'll have two secondary bedrooms up front. So pretty good, decent sizes, good sized closets, nice big bright windows for lots of natural light offering in this home. You have your secondary bathroom here. Love the transom above the window because that gives you some natural light coming into your bathroom space. And then this will be your other secondary bedroom. Now this one is a little bit smaller than the room we just left. And the closet is a little bit smaller as well. This home can come with a bonus space upstairs if you chose to do the upstairs, but I absolutely love that foyer. Now, we're gonna go ahead and tour the rest of this home just so you can see the features. So you never can have too much storage. So what I love about this particular home is that you do get that. Now, one of my favorite features of this home is this space here. This home comes with a formal dining room. And I want to back it up just so you can see how it angles out. It comes with a built-in niche. Now, if you don't need a formal dining room, you could use this as a office. It could be a library, it could be a study, it could be a play area. But when you're in a ranch home, sometimes you miss out on those extra special spaces. And that's one of them. So love a formal dining space. Now look how open concept this is. This is fabulous. I want you to be able to take in this living room. So this living room space, this great room, super large. You can choose to do a fireplace open to the kitchen. Now what they chose to do in this particular kitchen is a couple different upgrades. One, they upgraded this island to have storage underneath. So you have some storage underneath, soft closed doors there. They also chose to do the gourmet kitchen, so you have the oven and the microwave built into the cabinetry set, and then you'll get that cook range over there. You still get a pantry, so lots of storage there. They also chose to do this upgrade where you get the pull-out drawers there for additional dish washcloths, those types of things. Now, typically the kitchen for the Wescott is going to stop right there. So you'll get those two sets of cabinetry that flank this island. What they have chosen to do is to do this extension. So all of this is additional storage space, and then you have your eat-in kitchen nook. And that's a really pretty light fixture, very modern. Love how they chose that. It actually fits really nice with a very farmhouse modern feel. Now we'll go outside last. Now we saw the two bedrooms up front. Now we're gonna go into the primary. Look how large that is. So this one has the tray ceiling. You have your water closet here for privacy. Another great space is the primary closet. So this is a really large closet. Now this space is special. So this space enters in off of the hallway. This could be a retreat for your primary bedroom. It could be an additional office space, a nursery if you are in that stage of life, but it could be a lot of different things. They did opt to do the drop zone space, but again, you have this space leading you to your primary. Now, if you chose not to add that space, this foyer may get a little larger, or actually it will go into the garage. Sorry about that. It'll go into the garage, and we'll go in there in just a second. So this would be your laundry room space here. Let's go into the garage. Now, garage is a little messy, excuse the mess, but if you did not opt to do the retreat, that space would become part of the garage, and you would have a deeper garage. So if you had a golf cart or you just needed that extra storage, this space here would become part of the garage over there. This is my absolute favorite space of the house. Now your backyard is going to be specific to the community and the lot that you chose. This particular home does have a nice deck on it. But one thing about the Eastwood Homes is that you will get a fully sodded yard for you to call home. Top big plan for you? I hope so. Connect with me. If you have questions about any Eastwood home, I can help you to Carolina. So again, this plan is a primary living downstairs, 2 additional bedrooms downstairs. You do have the opportunity to build a second floor and you can make that a media room. This particular home can be designed and customized to your likings. I love that it has the formal dining room. I love that you can do the retreat, have a spacious backyard. Let's explore new construction together. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, Live in Charlotte, because I will be delivering to you every single week new construction home tours, area tours, information about the Carolinas. You don't want to miss out because we can help you find the right fit. Let's connect. All my contact information is in the description. Also, feel free to comment, subscribe, and like this.